Today I am going to demonstrate how to develop an simple Android application, that is Simple Calculator. First, start a new Android Studio project. Select the application name. I'll choose Calculator. Next, select the minimum SDK level. Next, select empty activity, then create finish. Select finish, sorry. There will be two files basically created. One is activity-main.xml, another one is main-activity.java. Basically, activity-main.xml is a front end and main-activity.java is the backend. First, we shall code the front end and move on to the backend. This is the Android Studio IDE, or this is the environment to code. Here, we can code in two ways. One is by designing, another one is by texting. Let's create the front end, or let's design the front end by designing. By default, there will be a hello world here. After deleting it, to input a number, choose plain text, drag and drop. Constraint it. Let's change the input type to number signed, number decimal. Close it, and the ID shall be first. The hint will be enter a number. And the name shall be removed. The first inputting object is ready. Then, in the same way, design the second one. Constraint it. And while you are noticing a blue screen here, it is the blueprint of our front-end design, that is the UI, or we shall even call it as GUI, Graphic User Interface. And the ID shall be second for the second input. And the input type shall be number, signed number, and the decimal number. Okay. And the hint shall be enter a number. And the name shall be removed. The second input type is ready, and we have to get a button here to calculate the result. So let's select the button, drag and drop. And the ID of the button shall be add. The text shall be add. I shall take only addition, but you can check it also for subtraction, multiplication, division, anything. We forgot to constrain it. Yeah, let's constrain it. Constraint is very important, because though if we didn't constrain, and if we leave an empty object or widget here, the place of that object will be misplaced when we run the application. So we have to constrain it. Let's increase the size. I hope this much is enough for the result, and the text shall be result, and the ID shall be result T. View all properties, come to texture element, let it be center, the text size shall be 50 dp, enter. Our front end is now ready. Now for the back end, let's move on to main.activity.java. Let's create a button. And the name of the button or the object of the button shall be add. Typecast the button. Find view by ID. It shall auto complete the code for you. Dot add. If the thing here does not come or does not match, go here, check the ID. Here all are small letters. It's a case sensitive. And let's replace it. Even here, I choose the object name and the ID because ID same because it shall be good, or it makes me feel easy, or it makes me feel comfortable. You can use the name of your own desire. Here when we click the button, it has to perform some operation, so we have to code in such a way that if we click the button, it has to perform some operation. For that, add dot set on click listener, new on click listener, and it shall auto complete the code. Here edit text to define the input. For the edit text, let the object name be first, and again typecast it. Edit text, find view by ID, dot ID dot first. And for the second input, text, second, again typecast it, find view by ID dot ID dot second. For the result, it's text view result t equals text view, again typecast, find view by ID dot ID dot result t. The input and the resulting or the objects are defined. Now we have to perform some operations in it. So let's declare int number 1 equals integer, pass int first, it is the ID here, or the object name dot get text dot toString. It means we are taking the input as a string and it is converting that string to a integer or int value. Now copy and paste this in the line here with the small changes. Integer dot parseInt second dot get text dot toString. Int result equals num1 plus num2. Then to display the result, result t dot set text result. Now this result is an integer form, but we have to display it in a string form, so we should concatenate it with an empty string. And now code is ready for you. Let's run using Android emulator. The emulator is running. And here we don't want it to be displayed as calc, but rather we need it to be displayed as simple calculator. So we shall go to the manifests file, android manifest.xml, and here android label. Click on that, select it. Let's type what do we need. Simple calculator. Let's rebuild it. Reset the app. Set the emulating device. Click OK. Now again the Gradle build begins. After the Gradle build is completed, our app will be displayed here. See here, enter a number, click on this, '25, enter a number, the result comes. Thank you.